Hello children, how are you? I'm glad to meet you again. Now, before beginning our lesson, let's play game memory. Look at the table for 1 minute, then I'll close it. Then check how many words did you remember. Now let's start. Look at the pictures. Okay, I'll close it. Now tell me all the words which you remember. Okay, good. Some of you 16, some of you 15, some of you 10, yes? But I think your memory is very good, very excellent. Now, otherwise, today's lesson is memory. Write the date, please, on your copybooks. Now, before beginning the lesson, let's watch this video about memory.
Do you remember? Let's take a look at a few ways you can help your memory. Mnemonics. Mnemonics is a skill set that helps your brain remember. One of the techniques is the use of acronyms. For example, if you needed to buy celery, herbs, apples, rice, and muesli, you might use the acronym CHARM. For numbers, you could try the major system. Every number has a consonant sound associated with it. Vowel sounds can be added to make words. So a long phone number, like 724603861, becomes Canary Shows Movie Jet. If that sounds a bit complicated, try chunking instead. Break the number into smaller parts. 724603861 is a lot easier to remember. Brain exercises. Just like the body, the brain needs regular exercise and new challenges to stay strong. Try solving maths problems in your head instead of using your phone's calculator, or learn how to cook, knit, speak a new language, or play a musical instrument. Diet and daily habits. A good diet containing brain food, like oily fish, walnuts, and green tea is very beneficial, as is regular exercise, which increases blood flow to the brain. Proper sleep is also fundamental. When you're sleeping, your brain is still absorbing information and organizing your memories. Getting a good night's rest also boosts concentration during the day. Concentration. Many of us claim to have a bad memory, but the truth is that we probably aren't paying attention. In our fast-paced modern world, the words of 18th century English author Samuel Johnson still ring true. The true art of memory is the art of attention.
Now I think you took much information from the video, okay? We'll tell about this information during the text, when we read the text, okay? Before reading the text, let's pay attention to new words, okay? Now repeat after me. Absorb information. Acid. Antioxidant. Attention. Beneficial. Blood flow. Boost concentration. Decline. Okay, good. Enhanced. Function. Fundamental. Identify. Loss. Memory capability. Physical capability. Radical. Skill set. Visualization. Good, very good. Now, students, answer my question. What do you expect the text to be about? Maybe. Okay, otherwise, let's read the text. Before reading the text, put signs plus, minus, and the question marks to each part of the text, okay? If it's clear to you, plus. If it isn't clear, minus. If you have some questions, question mark. Okay, this text is on the page 40. Read, then we'll discuss, share, and set some tasks according to the text. Okay, students, I think you finish reading the text. Let's do some exercise. Exercise number 3. Match the sentences to the gaps. There is one extra sentence. Write on your copybook and send me on Kundelik.kz or WhatsApp or email. Now, check your versions with the answers. First is B, 2 is F, 3 is A, 4 is E, 5 is D. Well done. Okay. Now, next task is you should write facts, ideas, learning issues, action plans according to the text. Super. You are very active today. Now, at the end of the text, we have grammar material. Okay. Now, affixes, it divides into two kinds, prefixes and suffixes. Now, group of letters attached before and after the root word. Yes, affixes. For example, unacceptable. Un, its prefix. Prefix, a group of letters placed before the root word. Accept, it is root word. Able, suffixes, it is group of letters placed after the root word. Okay. And there are some prefixes and the suffixes. Write down this on your copybook. Okay. On next lesson, I will ask its meaning and the examples. Now let's do exercise number 5. Fill in the correct form of the words in bold using the appropriate affix. Now let's check your versions with the answer. Are your sentences right? Okay, some of you have mistakes. Yes? Okay, well done. If you have no mistake, it's great, super. Now let's take your homework, exercise number 9 on page 41. Use the internet or other resources. Find out more information about another memory techniques. Okay, prepare a presentation and you should present it to the class next lesson. Okay, on Zoom. Now, what was your function during the lesson? Using block 3, please identify your place in the tree. I think all of you were on the top of the tree. Okay. Now, thank you very much. The lesson is over. Goodbye.